right. It's your official first video lesson. Woo, yay. Okay, so this is our practice. Typically, it's going to be longer than this. However, just for our first one, to get in the habit, this is your official video lesson. Today, class, you are going to write an essay. When I say it like that, it seems not so bad, right? No. Remember, we talked about this in class, in our Zoom class. Biggest thing, this is teaching me what to teach. It is not assessing how good of a writer you are. I just need to make sure that all of the standards are hit before I move to the next standard. And typically, with teaching, what typically happens with students is even like the most rock star amazing kids, when I read their writing, I'm like, oh, they got this, they got this, they got this. They don't have this, but they have this, and they have this, and they have this, and they have this. And they're way over here, but they're missing this little spot right here, this one tiny little standard. And by doing these writing assessments, I'm able to see what you're missing so I can hit it to make sure that you're not missing any of the standards. So I want you to do the best job you can, but do not stress that it's not good enough, because there's no such thing for this, number one. And number two, please don't get help from your friends and family, because I need to see what you know, because we're getting us ready to move on to 7th grade. That's the goal, right? So let's talk about what you're writing about. Your first writing of 6th grade is, please choose one trait of the IB learner profile. Now, we all know why Ms. Brown chose that, right? Because it's easy and you're familiar with it. But a couple of us are like me. It's brand new. So I'm going to skip down to this section. If you need a refresher, this link is going to take you to the handout we used in class for the IB profile. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to choose one trait from the IB learner profile. And you are going to compare and contrast ways in which you applied this trait to your school experience in previous years versus the way you will apply the IB learner profile trait this year. Because we've talked about this in class, and some of the traits are the same, some are very different through distance learning versus brick and mortar physically in the same building together. So that's all the instruction I'm going to give you. Please do not think, just one little commercial. This is not how we typically write essays. Typically, we brainstorm together, which I purposely tried to do a little bit of the brainstorm with the Google Slides. But after that, we do an organizer and an outline, and then I give you a rubric so you know exactly what you're going to grade it on. And then you start writing, and then we edit together. So that's typically our writing process. This is an assessment, so I can't do all that with you because I need to see how much of that you're able to do by yourself. And if you have no idea how to do any of it, that's fine. I need to know that. You're just telling me what you want me to know about you as a learner, okay? So do the best you can. You just start typing your essay in yours. It'll be right here, right there. You just start here, and you're good to go. This video that I'm doing right now is going to be this video. That is going to turn blue and be a hyperlink. It's not a hyperlink right now because I'm still recording the video. Okay? So, if you have any questions, what do? Yes, you call me, you text me, you let me know. All right? I hope you guys have fun, and I can't wait to see you in Zoom.